Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing maybe one of the finest examples of a 1955 Crown Victoria that you might find. So we'll spend a little bit of time today getting to know and love and enjoy this car. And you can understand her true quality and condition. I'll tell you, no disappointments here. Fully restored. It's a labor of love for many years. You'll see some obvious upgrades. Also, you'll see 56,000 actual miles, as indicated by the title also. But what a lovely lady. She's got it all. You can already tell the fit and the finish. Every nut and bolt. Has been apart. And the paint, I don't know who did the paint and body work. But wow. Coker wide white wall tires. No, those are Diamondbacks. Auburns. All the chrome and stainless. Absolutely stunning. Say no expense is spared. This is heads and shoulders above. Almost any car you'll find at a car show or cruise in. See vintage heat and air. 312 Thunderbird engine. There's AC compressor, polished AC compressor down there. Has a power steering upgrade here. Upgraded brake system as well. And that would be the power assist brakes. Stainless, just gorgeous. Well, the rubber and realize this is pollen. Got the Continental kit on the back. Got that opened here. Always try to so you can see. Book here, a photo album and some receipts, some of which during the restoration process. Let's see the befores. Where is it? Here we go. Fully apart. Look at the floors. There's Dynomat under there as well. And this will accompany the car weather stripping directions. Jack, spare, factory bumper jack. Again, I don't know if this is able to capture the paint, but typically people shortcut white paint, but not this car. Okay, here. Lay that back down. Fordomatic, that was the first year, 55, 6, somewhere in there. One little mark right here in the body. Right there. Looks like maybe when they put the bumper on. Fender skirts. All the weather strip, everything is new. This is a removable console here. That's how it's been starting every time. This is one spot too in the glass I wanted to point out. This is separation or delamination right there.